Hey, do you know that simply setting up your desk in your office or at home is actually self care? I think it goes beyond the purpose of being aesthetic. I'm speaking to corporate workers or students or anything related to desk jobs. Your desk setup can impact your mental health. And let's be real, you spend the same hours as you sleep in there. In fact, you may do more than the hours that you spent in your bed. I researched that the scientists at the Princeton University Neuroscience show that our brains literally like order. It doesn't hurt to have a tidy space. In fact, it can do more good than harm. Hi friends, let me show you around my desk. Let me show you some of the things that I have in my desk that makes me really comfortable and be productive in a daily basis. I am working as an editor, 2 to 3 years working remotely, and I am also a graduate student. On a daily basis, I spend like 12 hours in my desk. All of the things that I have in here are essentials for me. So we'll start. I used to have a normal table before, but then eventually I got really busy with things, so a small table cannot contain everything that I have, and so I decided to buy an L-shaped table. I was actually considering an ergonomic table, but I cannot find an L-shaped one that is suited for me, and so I decided to have this. What I like about an L-shaped table is that you can have two things doing at the same time, and you can have a lot of things displayed on your desk. At the left side of my L shape, you can see that it's full of books and organizers and some of the things that I like to add to my desk. At this side of the table, I have here an organizer and a pouch. So in the pouch and organizer, I have all my wires and connectors that I have for my devices. In the pouch, I have here the chargers for my primary devices like phone and laptop, and then for the organizer I have other things like connectors for keyboards and mouse and other stuff. Here I have a white lamp that I use mainly at night, and then stickers. As you know, I love stickers. I usually add stickers to all of my devices. I love to customize things and personalize and, putting personality to my devices. Here in this organizer, I have a notepad. So this notepad came from a national artist museum here in my country. I really love the design. It's from Ben Cab. And then I have here a postcard from Taiwan. I went in that country last year and I bought a postcard from a small artist bazaar in Taichung. And if you go to Taiwan, it's a nice place for art enthusiasts and for arts and crafts. This is from Typecase. I added some stickers, so this is not a built-in, or this is not the actual design. This is just a plain pink typecase for iPad. And I kind of like switch it up with this one from Initech. So this one from Initech, they are both different cases because this one you can detach the iPad, but for this one, this is detachable, so I prefer this one for now. What I like about Typecase is there is a spot for your Apple Pencil. For this one, there's none. It's just that keyboard. And as you can see also, typecase is bigger compared to in a text. This cute box comes from Lavender. This contains different journal prompts based on different categories in your life. So there are questions in the cards and you just have to pick one or several cards. I think it helps in journaling. It comes with a book where you can write your thoughts. Category like growth. Where do you feel shame or guilt in your life? Why do you feel ashamed or guilt? Gratitude, love and healing, self-discovery, relationship, fun and more, fears and doubts. You can see here there's an organizer. So this one, in this organizer you can see that I store some of my pencils, Apple Pencil that I don't currently use, and I also have here some sticker pads and postcards. Stickers, you can put anything in here. Something and some tips whenever I need something for my pencil. This one is like a toolbox. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of it, but it's like pretty messy in there. Any other tools that I need in the studio. So yeah. Another factor that I consider in setting up my desk was the placement of it. Though I have a really small space, I still want it to be near the windows because I love sunlight, I love natural lighting, and I don't know, it helps in creativity and boosting my productivity. At the right side of my table, you can see here my laptop and my keyboard. The view is not that great, it's actually my neighbors, but I still open my curtains because of the lighting. Just for the record, they don't come out. I can only see their windows, but not them entirely, so that's fine. And for this side, I have here small 4 other tools like 4 keyboards, AirPods, like some other things, some clips as well. This lamp is from Temu. This is a pink lamp, and I don't know how to hide this one. And here is another case. This is headphones from Soundcore. I like the base of it. It's acceptable, though the material is plastic. And for my bunny, and some of my pens. And this is like a little mirror. Really cute. And then other pens and a small vase. So whenever I have fresh flowers, I usually just replace them. And then here is my MacBook Air 2020. Just that, and then keyboard and that. I bought this artwork from the National Museum of Taiwan. It's kind of cute. It's flowers, anything flowers, I love it. I haven't got the time to buy a frame of its size, but soon I have time. I will be able to find it and to place it into my wall. 2023, 2023, 2022. Also, I'd like to show you three of my favorite keyboards. These are from Keyboom and Dust Silver. That concludes my desk tour with you. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like to know where I bought some of the pieces that I show you, just comment down below and I will add it into the description. Just know that my desk is not entirely what I like it to be. This is still a work in progress.